Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Nicholas from LF02. First of all, before we start the topic, I want to ask you guys some questions. Do you know what podcast is? And do you know what the benefit that podcast bring? Well, let me tell you. So, podcast is an episodic series of spoken word digital audio file that a user can download to a personal device for easy listening. Streaming application and podcasting service provide a convenient and integrated way to manage a personal consumption queue across many podcast source and playback device. Podcast series usually featured one or more recurring hosts engaged in a discussion about a particular topic or current event. Discussion and content within a podcast can range from carefully scripted to completely improvised. People are motivated to create a podcast from a number of reasons. That's why there are so many themes of podcasts. For example, there are podcasts about medical, politics, then lifestyle, and many more. There are many benefits that podcasts bring. Like, maybe all of you didn't know podcast is good for our eyes because we didn't need to see our screen. And do you know when we are gonna go to sleep, we need at least 1 hour before to not see our phone screen? And that's boring, right? Well, you can hear podcasts while you lying in bed. And you don't have to see your phone screen. The second benefit is we can get a new insight about something new that people are talking in the podcast. So we can have more knowledge after listening to podcasts. The third benefit, podcast is easy to listen in any situation. For example, when you are working out or when you are in your way to somewhere. Podcasts can be your partner throughout that activity. Podcasts usually easy to find in some social media platform, for example, YouTube and Spotify. There are several different mobile applications that allow people to subscribe and listen to podcasts. Many of these applications allow users to download podcasts or stream them on demand as alternative to downloading. Most of podcast players or applications allow listeners to skip around the podcasts and to control the playback speed. Because podcasts are delivered digitally, like YouTube and Spotify, they eliminate many costs associated with other forms of communication, including postage, printing, and paper. Podcasts become more popular every single day because it's very entertaining to listen due to many categories that podcasts have, and the main reason why podcasts are so popular is that they allow their audience to save time. Think of the all time you spend commuting to work or going to daily run or even cleaning the house. That's a lot of time that can be used more efficiently. Podcasts also have the ability to allow the user to multitasking. That's why many people listen to podcasts. There are a lot of content creators that make a good quality content, such as Joe Rogan, David Dobrik, and many more. So, let's start listening to podcasts from now on. Thank you.